Hello everyone, this is your cursive handwriting class and I welcome you all. In today's session, we are going to start with something new, that is cursive writing words from A to Z. This is session number 5 and I hope you all are excited to learn something new. Okay, so without taking much time, let's begin. The very first word which I'm going to write is pay attention to the movement of my hand and look at here carefully. Fluency should be maintained, which is the key point. Letters should be tilted. In this way. Now, moving on to the next one. So in this way, we have written this. Okay, moving on to the next one. Got it? So maintain the continuity, okay? In this way we have to write just this queen, and then I'm writing river. See it here, so simple to write and easy also. Now see, try to write yourself in the same way. Okay, now the next one is so. I hope you are enjoying. Now moving on to the next. Usual. Your writing should be smooth and neat and clean, okay? Now now so that's all about today's letter writing. So that's all about today's session. You can see easily how beautiful the letters and the words are looking. So try it same at your home and send your images to me after writing. The one thing which you need to follow is continuity, the smoothness and the patience to write. Your letters should be little tilted, okay, so that they will look somewhat different from the usual letters. So keep learning and keep practicing. We will meet in the next session. Thank you so much and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.